Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm going to show you the price prediction, what's the next target of Bitcoin and why the Bitcoin falls down friends. A lot of people message me that why the Bitcoin falls down and please tell me the next target of Bitcoin friends. So after that I do research about a Bitcoin on Google and Twitter, and after that I have a decision friends. So I'm sharing this decision with all of you in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now friends, let's see the price prediction chart of the Bitcoin. What's the price since goose and the Bitcoin in the last one day friends. As you can see here, if we look the average change occur in the one day in the Bitcoin, so absolutely the change is a very bad occurs. Negative 5.05% falls occur in the Bitcoin. In the high price of the Bitcoin is about $0.001624 USD dollar is the high price of Bitcoin friends. So friends, if we look the graph of the Bitcoin, so as you can see here, a very big falls occur in the Bitcoin at this period, as you can see here at this period, and now after taking a some jump they again falls down, and same procedure occur in the Bitcoin, and at this time they are also in the falling mode friends. So after a research I decide that the next after 18 April is the pumping day of the and Bitcoin friends. Remember that 18 April. As you can see here now, if we look the last 1 hour price prediction, so I think they are going ready for jumping friends. As you can see here on the 17th April today they falls down for a later time, and after a falls they take a jump, same falls down jump occurs in a Bitcoin, but there is no high jump occurs in the Bitcoin. Maybe that's on the basis of the previous last 1 month, last 7 days, last 3 days, on the basis of price prediction I told you this talks friends. As you can see here now, if I look the currently price prediction of the Bitcoin, so currently they are moving upward, same like that as I told you, jump occurs, and after a small jump again falls down. Same procedure occurred today in a Bitcoin, and after 18 April, on the 18 April there is an explosion start of the Bitcoin friends. So that's for next target of the Bitcoin. So on the 18 April they start explosion. So if you're a holder of Bitcoin, so please hold your Bitcoin with the last of this month and make a good amount of profit. What's your opinion about Bitcoin? If you agree with me, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel friends. So friends, that is important news for all of Bitcoin holders that I decided to please share with my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.